Let's say good morning to Danica Norwood from the Kennebec Community Church. Good morning, Danica. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Great. I bet you're real happy we didn't get that 6 inches of snow.
Oh, I'm
yesterday.
very happy. I'm ready for spring.
Exactly. The Kennebec Community Church planning a huge Easter egg hunt. Snow might have played a little havoc with it and stuff. Now, this is really cool. Now, like 20,000 eggs you're going to have available?
Yeah, we're going to have 20,000 eggs. And this isn't like your typical Easter egg hunt because we're actually going to have a helicopter dropping these 20,000 eggs.
I don't understand how you're doing this. I want to see how that. Now, have you done this before?
We have. This is our actually second year of doing it. Yeah.
Okay. How exactly does it work?
So
I know how a helicopter works, but it's like, aren't they just going to go the wind blowing them everywhere? Or?
It's pretty crazy. It's definitely a sight that you have to see. So we really encourage everyone to come, but
Awesome.
It's free. It's for the whole family. We usually have over 5,000 people in attendance.
Wow.
And we have a
no
huge...
wonder you need 20,000 eggs.
Yeah, we have a ton of kids. We have games. We have all these eggs. They're full of candy. We have the helicopter fly in, drops the 20,000, and it's really incredible.
It gets underway, what, around 9:30?
It's going to be this Saturday at 10 a.m., and we're also going to have parking at Coney High School. We're going to have a shuttle going over to the church right next door.
Wow.
So
yeah, with that many people that you're expected, it's pretty, and the Kennebec Community Church right on Mission Avenue, which is what, off South Belfast Ave, right?
Yes,
so,
yep.
Yeah, so check it out. And Danica Norwood from the Kennebec Community Church, a huge event, and I know you can't stay too long because you have to start filling those 20,000.
Yeah.
She also has to learn how to fly a helicopter really quickly here, too.
That is so awesome. So just come on by and check it out on Saturday. Again, everybody is welcome. It's just a lot of family fun with the Kennebec Community Church. You guys do so much good in the community. And thank you for that.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. All the details, by the way, right at our website. Just go to 92moose.fm and click on Community. Good to see you, Danica. Thanks for coming in.